And then we did one for Pride at Baker Beach in San Francisco, in the nude area, which is known for being like a nude gay beach, a few weeks ago. And that was amazing. I learned from that I don't actually want to be one of the facilitators at all. So I instead, kind of curated a group of people. I did a general call out first to people who I thought would be interested. And then kind of not many people were, people in the Bay Area were like so busy. So I asked individual people, and it ended up to be this group of artists. And so a lot of art got incorporated into the mikvah, and it was beautiful. One of the artists, Lucasa Bramfin Verancino, did a object mikvah where she asked people to bring objects and then kind of made them into an art piece and poured water over them. Nikki Green, who's a sculptor, she's many things, but a sculptor. She made pickles and did a pickle blessing for everyone, a fermentation blessing, thinking about how the pickle changes in the brine with the salt, like us going into the water, the ocean going into the ocean, changing our bodies through the mikvah in the ocean. And Remedios Martinez Cantu also facilitated the whole ritual. And that was just, she did such a beautiful job facilitating our personal and then thinking of the larger political collective healing that needs to be happening around queers, around Black Lives Matter, around Palestinian solidarity.